up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. We're back here to give another reaction. Today's reaction is gonna be Lady Gaga featuring Ariana Grande, "Rain on Me." And I heard this is like a good LGBT song, stuff like that. And I heard I would like it. So let's just jump right into it. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want any video that you want to react to, please leave it down in the comment below. I can react to any kind of music video, any kind of genre from all across the world. Just put it in the comment section and I'll definitely get to it. And let's get into it. Rain on me. 3, 2, 1. Lady Gaga. Okay. Visual.
You to show me a real good time. I never asked for the rain.
Oh, these visuals.
It's coming down on me.
Okay.
I'm ready, rain on
Yeah.
me. Drop by.
Okay.
Please don't love.
Yes.
On me, rain.
This is such a collab. Yes. Y'all better than. Yeah.
Living in a world where no one's innocent. Oh, but at least we
Yeah.
so I don't lose my mind.
Look at this outfit with the.
I can feel it on my skin. I blame my sins. It's coming down on me. Let it wash away.
Yes.
Rain, rain. I'd rather be drunk, but at least I'm alive. Rain
Y'all better. Y'all better.
on me.
This song is a bomb. Y'all better get ready for it. Look at the hair. Yeah, y'all better. Yes.
Fly. Rain on me, tsunami. Hands up to the
Yes.
sky.
Rain, rain. Y'all better.
Rain, rain on me.
On point, and just to have Ariana Grande, sorry, but just to have Ariana Grande on the song, on the track, is just all out amazing. And I'm so happy that Lady Gaga is still out there making music because she's just such an inspiration. She just inspiration to everybody. She cares about the LGBT community. She's out there doing it, and she's making just the world happy. And this is a bop. So I know there's a song with her and the Blackpink, and I got to react to too. It's called Sour Candy. So I definitely gonna get to that. But this song's a bop. Spotify playlist definitely. But if you got any other videos you want me to react to, or you want to react to any more Lady Gaga, please leave a comment down below. And until next time, guys, bye.